Welcome. In this video I will show you all the ways to take a screenshot on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. To get access to all of these three ways, we have to press a single combination of keys on our computer, which will be Ctrl Shift Reset. After that, we will see this menu on our screen presenting the three ways to take a screenshot on your device. You can select each one of them on this toolbar. The first one is the full screen screenshot. If you select it, click anywhere to capture your entire screen. The second way is the selection screenshot. So in order to use it, you're gonna have to select the second icon and then use the crosshair on your screen to make a selection on it. The selected area will be captured once you click capture. And the last option is the window screenshot, which allows us to take a screenshot of just a single window. So if you select it and then navigate to the window you want to screenshot and click on it, the screenshot of the window will be taken like this. All the screenshots will be stored in your downloads folder by default. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.